So once in a while, I come across a product that I like so much, I'll be wanting to tell people about it. A buddy of mine actually introduced me to this. It's an air duster. I was hesitant spending $40 to get one at first, but man, I'm glad I got it. I find myself using this thing for so many different things, like when I'm cutting my son's hair, cleaning off the work area, cleaning my tools. I use it on my vehicles. The list is endless. Let me tell you a little bit more about this. The charging port and power button is in the back. This thing is small, but super powerful. It has 3 speeds. It comes with this attachments. Power cord. And some small brushes you can use to help remove dust from like keyboards and air vents. I have a link in the description if you're interested in getting one. Anyway, that's my quick video on this. Until next time, peace.